So we have a quiz tomorrow, and I am assuming we will have time to work on math afterwards, but it will be a shorter lesson tomorrow, just FYI to my virtual friends. A quiz is not near as long as a test, just so you know. Give a sigh of relief. It's only one page.
I was wondering the difference.
Yes, quizzes are shorter, tests are longer. So there you have it. What might you do tomorrow or tonight to practice and prepare for this oncoming quiz? Grayson.
Multiplication.
Yes.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding. Wow, there is hot air coming in again. So yucky. In fact, we are going to work on them right now for a little bit of time. We're going to use our nice big cards. So, could you see these on the video? Yes. Good to know. You are my experts now in class about the video, so I will be asking you questions. I hope that's okay. All right, so are you ready?
Maybe. I don't know. Sure. Yeah.
You're ready. I know it.
Are we though?
You are.
Are you
All right, we're going to work on some multiplication, Tyson, because we have a quiz tomorrow. So I want to make sure you are all ready, and this is a great way to be ready, correct?
Sure.
Sure. All right.
56.
Trying to get these, so
24.
can you see them? That's
18.
what I'll do. I'll stick them up only to
77. 64. 72. 80. 88.
96. Ooh. Oh no.
0.
Gotta give you a couple easy ones.
That was the hardest 0.
It's the hardest one in the whole pile. It really is. I don't know. Can you handle the rest?
18. 27. 36. 45. 45.
You're right. I had this one in back, and I'm like, I saw this 6 times 9, and you saw this. 45 is correct.
54.
63.
81. 90. 108. 21.
Gave it to you. Put it on the wrong side.
Thank you. 24.
27 is correct. I heard 27. I heard 28.
124. What? I'm like 120. I think they saw it. What? Yeah. 108.
All right. These 2 rows. We're gonna, yep. Who is gonna win
Oh, no.
between these 2? You wanna help me?
No.
So I'll watch this. It's gonna be hard.
No, it's going to be tough again. We want to be one.
96.
That was perfect. I'm going to see if I can find one. So now it's going to be the other two rows. Who's going to,
Oh.
I'm trying to find, yeah, you're always hangry. All right, so these two rows.
36.
How many were just too easy? With the tens?
That's not easy.
Yeah.
Some are zeros.
So we're
And ones.
Zeros and ones are
12. 12 are really easy.
so hard.
12
all right, here we go. These two.
28. It's 28.
Yeah. He didn't say the right one at first.
72.
72 is correct.
24.
I want some harder ones. We'll try this one. You guys will get it right away.
28.
Where are the nines? That's what I want.
We need 9.
The nines I feel are always the hardest for y'all. They all there? Perfect. We'll finish up with the nines and then we will be done. Oh, it's hot in here.
Yeah.
Again, it was fine earlier, but now they cranked it back up. Oh,
63.
oh, that doesn't count.
I didn't even get the chance.
11s are easy.
36. 28. 36.
36 is correct. I don't know who said it first, Owen or James.
Yeah. And Landon over there. 81.
All right, this is going to be the last one.
Oh, 56.
Oh, you are not right.
When Jean said it. When Jean said it.
Who went, Jean? It was 54. All right, that is going to conclude our multiplication. I would say I see improvement. That does not mean we do not continue to practice. Practice, practice, practice. Especially with multiplication. So tonight, go through it for 10 minutes. That will be the best thing you can do. You might want to take your book home and look at some of the problems that we have had in the past. We will have a test next week.
Yay! I love this quiz.
Thank you. And the test will be most likely on Tuesday because I don't give tests on Monday. So just so you know, that is what's upcoming. All right. Let us open our books to 129. Now, we are working on a new checking system for our, it's kind of fun. So what do we do with that remainder? Let me show you. All right, how many times does 5 go into 6?
1.
So we have 5. What is 6 minus 5? 1. Take the 3 down. How many times does 5 go into 13?
1.
What is 2 times 5?
10.
What is 13 minus 10? 3. So we got our little remainder, 3. So now we're going to check. Or 5 times 2 is?
60.
5 times 2 is what?
60.
Friends, everybody star please. What is 5 times 2?
10.
Goodness, thank you. What is 5 times 1? Plus 1? 60. Now, does that check with this? What do you think I need to do to get the same? Jeremiah.
The remainder 3 where the 0 is.
And do what with it? You're right. We're going to do something with the remainder, but what? What are we going to do? Jonathan. Add 3. 60 plus 3 is what?
63.
Oh, and look at that. They match. Yay, I like matching. All right, so that is how you are now going to check. You're going to add the remainder to the answer that you get from the multiplication, the initial multiplication, which is 5 times 12. All right, so questions, concerns, I don't know what's going on, any of that. What are you doing, Mrs. Reed? This is crazy. All right. I would like to shut that door, but then we will have a sauna. All right. Saunas make me want to go to sleep.
Yeah.
All right. Markers at the ready if you would like to work on the board. So let's check and see if you remember what I just did. And you are going to follow along in your workbook because this is all in your book and I want you to be writing it down. All right. Winsheen and McKenna. What is 1 times 4? Here, bring the 7 down. There you go. Good. Do they match? Good. Circle them both, please. That's 76. Circle them both. Beautiful. Nicely done. Okay, so how many times will 4 go into 17? So you need to change. Do you want to use the eraser or can you use the eraser? All right, there you go. So we need to change the 4 on the top too. We need to get rid of the 3. There you go. All right, good. So let's try that. What is 4 times 4? Yes. There you go. Perfect. There. I need to check 14 times 4. What is 4 times 4? Nope. You just did it. Mhm. There you go. Nope. 4 times 1 is plus 1. There you go. So does that match this? What do you need to do? There you go. Beautiful. Now you can erase the 257s. Not erase, circle. Beautiful. All right. Any questions? All right. Very good, friends. Ooh, this whiteboard is disgusting. Let's see, I think I have one, yes, one more left. Who is going to come up here by their lonesome and do it? Dun, dun, dun.
There's people watching them, so they're not really
True. You only have 20-some people watching you, and then on the screen, or on the video as well. All right, Tessa. How many times does 6 go to 27? There we go. So then where do you do the 1? There you go. Beautiful. Now you can check it. Wait a minute, something. Oh. Yes, I didn't catch that right. We need to stop because we have done something wrong. What is 4 times 6? There. So this is not 1. What is that? There you go. Put the 3 up on the remainder. Now do it. There you go. All right, do they add up? You checked? Beautiful. Very nice. Very good. Bravo. So, we have some story problems. I will read them and you need to determine what they are as far as solving them. How are you going to solve them? So number 2, Kylie has visited 29 states. This year she will visit 8. How many states will she have visited in all? What is your key word to this? Or 2 words, I should say. Winsheen. Yes. What kind of problem are we talking about here? If we are trying to figure out in all. McKenna. Addition. So work, the workspace, your addition problem, and then how many states did she see? On the desk, please. All right, good job. What is the answer? How many states in all did she visit? You can just say it out loud.
37.
Beautiful. 37 states. Remember, you have to write states though, because that is what you are looking for in your answer. Yes, no. Not cows. All right. Carissa, and if you notice on the bottom of the 3 stamps, what state is involved on that stamp, which is fabulous? Grayson?
Wisconsin.
Yes, Wisconsin has been,
Freezing.
yes,
Even
but it's being represented in the math book. Carissa collects stamps. She has 159, wow, stamps from foreign countries and 376 stamps from the United States. How many stamps does she have all together? What is the word that is key to this story problem? Gabe, what's that?
What?
No, what is the key that should tells you what kind of math problem this is going to be? Caroline,
All together.
all together. So with that said, what kind of math fact is this going to be or problem? Caroline,
Plus.
yes. So we are looking at another addition problem. So please work it out in your workspace. Yes, Cole.
I have the answer.
All right, I'm not quite there. Thumbs up if you are done. 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 Cole, what answer did you get?
525.
Not quite. You might want to relook at your middle section of your answer. Owen,
535?
yes, 535 what?
Stamps.
Stamps, very good. Now we're going to work on something a little different. You're going to say, huh? That's just addition, Mrs. Reed. What is different about this? Oh, it's different how you solve it. It is called horizontal addition and subtraction. So we're going to add 7 plus 2. What is 7 plus 2? What is 3 plus 6? Correct. All right. What is, can you subtract 1 from 6? No. Actually, that's correct. No, I was right. I was wrong. So you go 6 minus 1 is what?
5.
What is 5 minus 2?
3.
35. So, who wants to get to work this one out? Go ahead, Em. Very good. So you can work on the rest of those by yourself. You can also work on 4. I would like to do at least one of 5 up on the board, and of course you can do the measuring by yourself in centimeters. So we're going to do a little one on 5. I'm going to give you then a little time, maybe 5 minutes to work on the rest of the problems. We have the mystery letter. Ooh, this is different because we have multiple steps. Ooh, who's going to tackle this? Winsheen. So Winsheen, what are you going to do first on this? Mystery letter. Solve what you know. Very good. Good. So don't forget to cross out. There you go, good. So what you do on one side, you have to do on the other. So do we, yeah, there we go. Beautiful. So what is B? What does B equal? Winchine.
12.
Yes. Good. Nice. And you also already determined that 17 plus 5 minus 4 is what? 18. There you go. Beautiful. Do they check? You have to do the fun part and put the big check mark. There you go. Beautiful. All right. Nicely done, Winchine. Now, we do not have any time, so what I want you to do is work on the rest of this as homework. Did anybody get it done? So you were not really paying attention to what we were doing on the board. All right, so this is what I'm going to write down. Get out your planners. So you don't have a lot. Do 4 A, C, D, E, or F. Yes.
What is that?
Yeah, you can. I was going to give you less to do, but if you want to finish it all, you go for it.
Oh, that's we should bring our rollers.
All right. If you want more work, I'll let you do it. So finish lesson 65.
No.
65. Finished. You don't have a lot to do. I will give you time to work on it.
Right now?
No. We need to get ready for lunch.
Yay!